I am Dr. Dixon.
Okay.
I'm the CEO and founder of the Jada Foundation. On behalf of the foundation, we want to thank you for you doing your part to make a better Jamaica.
You're
right?
welcome.
You're from St. Elizabeth, though?
I'm from St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz, Park Mountain.
That's right. But, you know, there's a lot more people who are from St. Elizabeth who are not here. But you're doing your part. What do we have here? What do we have here?
I just have like rice.
Rice?
I don't know if you need...
Careful, 100 pound bag of rice is not easy, you know.
This one.
Rice. Easy, you know. Easy, you know. 100 pound of rice, yeah. 50 plus 50 how much?
100.
100, right?
50.
What you bring detergent?
You bring detergent.
You can wash them clothes, you understand me?
This one.
Yes, thank you very much. This is exactly what we need. This is exactly what we need.
Okay.
So, Miss Marlene, why did you decide to donate to this cause, to the disaster relief?
Well, Jesus said if you do one least to one, yeah, you do it unto me. And I'm a kind-hearted person, and I don't like to see people in need. Because I know I go through it. Right now I'm going through it.
You're going through it, but you still have enough so you can put like a meat in the pot for somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And by God will, the little you give, God bless you.
Okay, well thank you so much. And thank you so much for your donations. It's going to go a long way for those who are in need. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
We're going to pack it out now, right?
All right, we're going to pack it in. Thank you. Work for our work and a chicken with a jerk.
Yeah.
The soap.
What a sheet. This sheet is twin.
Those sheets are not going. That's not. They're not supposed to go to something.
Okay, this one.
Thank you, Marlene. That's coming from work.
Yeah. I make sure I buy them yesterday because I'm going to work tomorrow too. The drop off is not, the drop off time is not proper for me tomorrow.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
One Love Jada Foundation. Big Jada supporter. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Big up St. Elizabeth. Help is on the way.
Yes, St. Elizabeth, my best place in Jamaica.
That's right. You're fine. That southern hospitality. Can't forget about that southern hospitality down in St. Elizabeth.
All right, Miss Marlene, take care now. God bless you, okay?
Thank you. Welcome.